I'm going to teach you how to effectively submit a support request on the TradingView Help Center. This can be particularly useful if you're encountering an issue with your account, market data, technical difficulties, or have any other questions related to TradingView. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process to ensure your concerns are addressed efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TradingView Help Center. It's important to do this step while logged into your TradingView account to ensure you have access to all the necessary features and can submit your request right away. This preliminary step sets the stage for everything else to go smoothly. Once you're at the Help Center, cast your gaze to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Submit a Request. Clicking on this will direct you to a form designed to help the support team understand and resolve your specific issue. Now that you're on the form page, it's time to select the type of issue you're dealing with from the options provided. If your concern is related to account and billing, like subscription, payment, or login issues, this is where you should click. Alternatively, if your query pertains to market data or involves technical problems like charts not loading or errors, select the appropriate category. Finally, there's an Other Questions option if none of the specific categories applies to your situation. Selecting the right category ensures your request is directed to the relevant team from the onset, speeding up your support process. With the category selected, proceed to fill out the form with the necessary details. Begin with a concise subject line that clearly summarizes your issue. Think of it as a headline for your query. Next, you'll provide a detailed description of the problem you're facing. Be sure to include essential details such as the device and browser you are using, any troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, and any other information that might be relevant to your issue. Attaching screenshots can also greatly assist the support staff in visualizing the problem you're encountering. For instance, if you can't log in with your Google account, a clear subject line might be, "Can't log in with Google account." In your description, you could note that whenever you click Continue with Google, you're redirected to the login page without accessing your account, specifying your device and browser details alongside any attempted solutions like clearing cache or trying incognito mode. After thoroughly completing the form and ensuring all pertinent details are included, go ahead and click Submit. Once your request is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email from TradingView. Lastly, to keep tabs on your request, TradingView will send you updates via email as they review your issue. Moreover, you can log back into the Help Center anytime to track the status of your support request. By following these steps precisely, you can trust that your support request is not only submitted correctly, but is also more likely to receive a timely and effective response.